In this video, I will be showing you how to create a task in Timeline View on ClickUp. ClickUp is a versatile project management tool, and the Timeline View is a game-changing feature for visualizing and managing tasks in a chronological manner. With this powerful tool, you can get a clear overview of your project's progress and deadlines, helping you stay on track and meet your goals efficiently. The Timeline View allows you to plan tasks, track dependencies, and allocate resources with ease, making it perfect for project managers, teams, and individuals alike. To create a task using the Timeline View, follow these steps. Click on the day when your task needs to be completed. Provide a name for the task and optionally include any additional task details. Finally, click the Save button to save the task. If this video helped, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.